I'm sorry if it's a little windy. I forgot my windsock at home. My fault. Actually, no, it's his fault. He was rushing me. Look who just showed up. What's going on? Ooh, look at this beauty. Damn, it's a good little foggy there. My boy Chino with his 21 skater with twin 2.5s. No lines. Labor Day weekend, guys. This will be a fun ride. We're going on my buddy's boat, and he has a V8 300 Pro XS, the brand new Mercury. So that's gonna be the first time I'm ever in a boat that has the V8, and I'm excited. And it's a super small boat too, so it's gonna be pretty fast. Whew. Beautiful day. We're launching out of Homestead Bayfront Park. We're heading towards the Keys. How long you been here?
Like 5-10 minutes.
Oh, okay.
I just been trying to call you, then I realized that, oh shit, there's no signal in here.
I'm excited, bro. I've never been on a boat with a V8.
What was the fastest you ever been?
120.
Alright. This one, since it doesn't have since it has the Torque Master lower unit, it doesn't have that like cutout in the lower to open the exhaust, so. But it sounds like a lot nicer, but it's a completely different sound. Like it's kind of muffled at the same time.
I miss my little bass boat, bro.
You want to see something cool?
What?
So you have your foot throttle, right?
Uh-huh.
You push this little button right here. Now you can use the hand throttle.
Instantly.
Instantly. It makes it so much easier when you're cruising out of the marina and shit like that. You don't have to like sit on the gas pedal all the time.
Man, this is comfy, bro. My first boat was bass boat, my little red one.
I remember I saw it a couple times.
This is dope.
Didn't you say you were gonna build it into a second console?
It is glass today.
Yeah, very, very sunny.
Whew. Nice. Instant torque till you feel it. Yeah. You feel that goes on your seat. Oh yeah, I like that. We're almost doing 80 miles an hour. I'm sorry if it's a little windy. I forgot my windsock at home. My fault. lot of boats at Gilbert's today, so early in the morning. It is Labor Day weekend, that's right. You know, I was looking. That houseboat right there, the white one, is an Airbnb. It is. And they want $140 a day. I was thinking of renting it and keeping my boat there for a weekend. Like renting it for a weekend.
How's it look on the interior?
It looks fine. It looks fine. But she's like, she repeats herself in the ad a lot. Like, if the power goes out, it's not our responsibility. If you run out of water, it's not our responsibility. Like, this is camping. Like, all these things she's saying in the ad. But I'm like, and she provides a little dinghy in the back to get back in.
I mean, hey, she floats, bro.
That's what I'm saying. I mean, she floats and I can keep the boat here. You know, go out to Isla Morada and then come back.
That would not be a bad idea at all.
$140 for that boat right there. Airbnb.
Just the guy swimming there?
Yeah, he's just swimming there. But hey, if I'm gonna be swimming anywhere, I'm gonna be swimming here. And the water feels amazing right now too. What a beautiful setup, man. Being able to have your house, you have your own dock, your own beach, and your own private boat ramp right here.
Bad news is that that shit looks full as hell for them.
Yeah. Yeah. So it's Labor Day weekend, guys. And our two buddies, they can't find parking for their trucks or trailers. So we keep bouncing from marina to marina. Hopefully they find a parking spot.
What other ramps are down here too? There's like nothing really, right?
Founders Park. Founders Park is one of the biggest ones where they get.
Which one's that one? John Finnegan?
No, Founders Park is all the way by Isla Morada.
Oh.
So they couldn't find parking. What's the plan now?
Gonna go to Tiki, explore ourselves, see who's there, and then hopefully they get to throw over there.
Alright.
Wow, sucks to be them.
I'm down. Beautiful day. Let's go to Tiki Bar. From a wake zone. Go. Oh man, look at the ocean. The ocean, bro, we can cross. We can go to Bimini right now. Let's go to Bimini.
Oh no, forget that.
But we could cross. It's like so flat that you can literally cross in this basketball right now. What an amazing day. Whew. Look at this guy, he's diving. Oh man. He's getting some lobster for lunch. Yeah, who needs drugs when you got a boat? Shit, I feel so relaxed right now, like so mellow.
I'm ready to take a nap, bro.
I know, right? It's like, damn.
Water fountain. Good decoration, guys.
It's not that we're sinking. We're slowly sinking.
It takes in like 3 drops per 30 seconds.
3 drops, 30 seconds. Not bad. Alright guys, we made it here to Isla Mirada Sandbar. What time is it? 9:47 a.m. and look how it's looking. It's nice and empty. But it's gonna be getting filled up little by little. I'm gonna end this video here. I'm gonna make 2 videos today. Hope you guys enjoyed this last one. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share, and stay tuned for the next one. We're gonna be parked up and seeing who shows up to the Isla Mirada Sandbar on a Labor Day weekend. I still can't get over how flat the water is. Like,
I've never seen it.
Like, before I end this video, look at this. I still can't get over how flat this water is right now, guys. Straight to the bottom. So again, guys, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next one. Peace.
Bye-bye.
There's my dad, everybody. 1 foot pilot. Touch and go.